Oh, got a car spun off.
Oh, got a scan. Michael Annett, the 09, also involved, of Brian Scott.
Stuff for a rear quarter panel together, guys. Get stuff together for a rear quarter panel. Get caught up first. Go ahead, go get caught up.
Annett gets refired, back out onto the track. You can see the damage on the right side.
And that was one of those cars that had been out there on older tires, full of fuel, which makes it even more of a challenge.
Well, here's the tough break for the 09.
Time, get caught up. Put the 4 tires on it. Fill it with fuel.
Brian Scott was the first car 1 lap down, so there will not be a lucky dog this time. Let's take another angle on this. Watch on the left side. That's Annett.
See Annett, his car is already getting loose. That's product of those older tires, full of fuel, a lot more weight back there, makes the car free. You see, just gets up into the safer barrier with the right rear. Definitely going to have to get some tires. Now, you'll see the 09, I think he got tapped a little bit as he tried to slow down. Seeing him spinning, I think he'll come into the shot here.
On board with Carl Edwards.
Well, that thing just snapped around.
Yeah, that's
Still inside.
wicked right there.
And there's the 09.
See, Brian Scott even got into the back of Joe Nemechek a little bit. You see some damage on the left front area there and the hood.